acceleration. Wow. Let go of the gas. Love this Holley Sniper. I don't know how well you guys can hear me right now because the windows are down, but it sure is a beautiful day out. Going uphill a little bit. Goes along at 80 miles an hour like butter. Tell you how much I love this car. Oh my gosh. This new Holley Sniper EFI with the Hyper Spark just makes it a whole brand new vehicle. Just out on the open road driving like a brand new car. Give it some gas and it just takes off. Love it. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause right now. Okay, getting off on Avenue S, and let's see how our vitals look. Nice. Still running great. Love that acceleration. Effortlessly. Oh, they're gonna love driving this car. Quarter throttle. You don't even need to give this car half throttle. Haven't calculated it yet, but it probably gets amazing gas mileage with this setup right now. 383 Sniper EFI and 373 gears in the 4.9-inch. The disc brakes in the front, electric assist brake booster. This is a really nice combination. You could drive this car just about anywhere. Comfortable, it's like sitting on a couch. Radial tires. back in 1955 would be jealous driving this car. They wouldn't even know what it was. They'd probably think it's a spaceship or something. What did you do, Magic? Why is this car so nice? So we're still on stock suspension, so and of course the couch-like cushions. So we're a little bouncy going over bumps like that, but it really isn't that bad. And for anybody that's wondering, it does light the tires up at about half throttle from takeoff, maybe even less. The tires just break loose, both of them, and I haven't really got in at full throttle. I don't want to disrespect the customer's car, but I'm sure it would light the tires up at least 75 feet both tires, no problem. We're just sitting here waiting for the light to change. She's running nice. Still running good. Again, what a pleasure to drive this car. This is a really nice setup. Going with the old school small block Chevy and the Holley Sniper isn't a bad thing to do nowadays. You don't have to put an LS swap in everything. This is a really nice setup. Sounds nice with that MagnaFlow exhaust, catalytic converters, and our X-pipe. Running good. What a beautiful car. Time to take her home.